admit it, we've all done these things. You totally did this, okay? Guilty. At some point in your life, you stuck a ball up your shirt and pretended you were pregnant. Also guilty. Searching for your phone while holding it in your hand. This is the worst one. We've all done this while submitting our homework. Yep, facts. Especially this one. Yeah, every day. Who doesn't do that? We've all done but why though?
Oh, yeah, but don't keep touching your meat. Sometimes you might want to close it.
Better prepare to get laced because they're gonna taste my... Nope. Yep.
Nope. Ah, damn my fucking foot. Yeah.
The next trick is called the hospital flip. Why is it called a hospital flip?
Jamin, which way did he go?
No.
Please! Oh, yes!
I did not see that coming.
Smoking. Your mama know you smoking that, bro?
You said what, bro?
Your mama know you smoking that?
My mama dead, bro. You good, though?
Hey, babe. I think I'm getting too much air.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I've been checking out your thighs, and I think you should fucking suffocate me.
Oh my god.
I got one question for all you white male motherfuckers out there. How are you still single when you can just make your hair look like this? There's no excuses.
I have an excuse, and that's called an autoimmune disorder.
I was messing around with the filter and it picked up my mic.
It's complicated and stupid, but I squeezed my sexy cupid. Guess he wants to play, I love game, hold me and love me, just wanna touch you for a minute. Maybe 3 seconds is enough for my heart to quit. Have some fun, this beat is sick. I wanna take a ride on the disco stick. Don't think too much, just bust that stick. I wanna take a ride on the disco stick. Let's lay it out.
The actual fuck is happening here? What is everyone in line for? Is there like a celebrity here or something? There's a lot of hats and jackets. What the fuck?
Oh!
talking about? What are you talking? Nothing. No.
What do you mean nothing? That's not what I asked. I asked who was in here.
No one.
I asked who the fuck was in here.
No one. Stop.
What do you mean
stop,
no one?
Stop. Look.
You are trying to
listen
tell me
me.
like
Yes.
fucking
No.
stupid?
No. Listen
Yes.
to me.
No. Yes.
Listen
No.
to me.
Yes. No.
No.
What the
Just
fuck are
listen.
you
Just stop
talking
and
about?
listen. Can you listen?
No.
What? Damn.
Why
Can
the
you
fuck am I
listen
gonna
to
listen
me?
to someone who got some bitch up in this fucking room?
Where?
X that sound fake but are true. If you touch a radio tower, you'll be zapped to death, and while you're dying, music will be playing from your body. Speaker man.
Hey, I wonder what happens if I...
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll. I think we got scared.
You're gonna have clarity on what.
So, this nice place you got here. Yeah. Okay, so what'd you do today? Yeah. Nah. Alright, you got Netflix or something we could put on? Yeah. Nah, shawty, tripping. Alright, girl, you know exactly what I came here for. On the phone, you said you was gonna do a backflip off the ceiling onto me. Now you're not talking. What's up? Yeah. Alright, girl, I know you're not being serious right now. What? I thought you said you wanted to chill. Nah, shawty, stupid. Girl, it's 3 in the morning. You know exactly what I meant. On the phone, you said you was gonna give me the Ash Cash 3000. Now you sitting here clueless. What's up? Yeah. Girl, why you keep saying that? Where's the freak I was on the phone with? Why you doing this? Nah, Jit came over here for no reason. She better run me some gas. That's crazy.
Hey sir, welcome to Five Guys. How can we absolutely rip you off today? Yeah, I'll just do 1 cheeseburger. Okay, 1 cheeseburger. Your total's gonna be $87.58. Ooh, I don't know. That seems pretty expensive for fast food. Fast food? Fast food? Fast food! Ah! Take a look across the establishment and tell me what you see. Tell me what you fucking see! Pictures of Elvis Presley? What else? Some magazine voted you guys best burger like 20 years ago. That's what I fucking thought. Alright, would you like anything else with your order? Yeah, I guess I'll do like a side of fries. Alright, 1 cheeseburger and a side of fries. Your total's gonna be $213.48. Alright, I can help what's next.
Bro, there's nothing to do.
Bro, trust me, it'll be fun, bro. Let's just not get caught. Just like be quiet. Come on, let's go.
Bro, let's go, bro.
Bro, are you gonna open the door? Bro, when I open the door, just go like, really hard, okay?
Oh my god.
You think they heard that?
Nah, bro, we good. Bro, we literally been outside right next to your mailbox for 15 minutes. There's nothing to do.
Alright, let's just find something to do.
What?
Yo, look how cool this looks.
No, it doesn't. Bro, your mom's calling you, bro.
Just say
If my mom asked why I was outside at 3 in the morning, tell her I had to take out the trash, okay?
Alright, bro.
Okay.
What did you first think when you saw Mom?
Oh, your mom smiled at me, and and it was funny too, because I was still gonna go to Colombia, go fishing in Colombia, and I was gonna go to Venezuela after that. So I was already traveling, and I swear I was never. When you least expect it, you find love. Don't look for it; it'll just come, because that's what happened to me. And look, 20 years later.
20 years yet.
I don't know how to speak Spanish.
Damn, both of you guys became bilingual by meeting.
Yeah, we did. Then we had you. Then we became traumatized.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. Start with me today. Pump was 10. Alright, number 1, we got Beanie. Number 2, we got Heat. Number 3, we got It. Number 4, we got Beat. Number 5, we got Number 6, we got Cheat.
Take that rubber off, fuck that hoe. Meat to meat, meat to meat, meat.
Got a small waist, pretty face with a big bang. Look how you
Let me sit this ass on you.
What the fuck I said? Shake some ass!
Oh, best tense.
My children used to ask me a lot of questions. They no longer ask me questions because I figured out a system in my home. I've given them both a notebook and a pen, and I've connected the pen to the notebook with a piece of string. I've also laminated some press passes, and 3 times a day in my home I hold a press conference, and that is the only time you are allowed to ask me a question. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and start the press conference. Olivia, ladies first. Why does your puppy dog stick to the refrigerator? It's a picture of a puppy. There's a magnet on the back of it. The magnets stick to metal. The refrigerator's made of metal. That's why your puppy dog sticks to the refrigerator. Great question. Isaac, next question. Yeah, sometimes the green jelly beans can be tricky. You stick it in your mouth, you think it's lime, and it's spearmint, and spearmint sucks. Olivia, next question. There is a magnet on the back of it. Isaac, next question. Why does your sister cry all the time? Well, that's a great question. I think a lot of people in this house want an answer to that. For starters, as you know, we have wooden floors all over our home, and she runs around in wool socks like there's not going to be consequences. Not to mention the fact that Crazy never watches where she's going. Olivia, next question. It is a fucking magnet!
You know, it's a beautiful day out here. The sun is shining. Remember, if you're staring at a person, the person staring at you, whoever breaks eye contact first, the other person just gained domination. So always remember that. Hey, how you doing? Where you go? I just over-dominated her. You seen that? Just dominated you. You see me? I just dominated you. I just dominated you.
Yo, I was just fucking, wait a second. I was doing some math homework, right? And I was like double checking my answers on Mathway to make sure I'm doing everything correctly and shit. And I put in this number, right? I was trying to double check my answers as one fucking does. I get this fucking response. Sorry, I was temporarily busy. Bitch, with what? Obviously, I'm pissed off. It's been a long night. I'm fucking tired. Gotta deal with this shit. So I say, hey, the fuck do you mean you're busy? You're a fucking calculator. To which I receive... What the fuck?
Hey, how's it going? Welcome to UPS. Hey, I just had this package to send out. Cool. Yeah, that's a FedEx package. Oh, okay. We don't take those. Why not? We're UPS, not FedEx. UPS. Where am I? UPS. Where's FedEx? I don't know. I work for UPS. Well, what do I do with my package? Take it to a FedEx. Where's that? I don't know. But you can't take it. No, I cannot. Why? Do you go to a Taco Bell and ask for a Big Mac? What? Get the fuck out of my store.
Yesterday I posted this video. Big do you think I am?
How big? Oh, can I see your thumb?
My thumb? Turns out her daughter's a fan of mine and was really uncomfortable by her mom saying this. So, Aubrey, do I have a surprise for you? Do you want to come back to my hotel room?
You're 19, I will rock your world and you will cry for your mother. Oh!
Every night fucks every day up. Every day patches the night up. Oh God, you should match it, it's the kill. No way lighters kill off up on 28th up. 1998, my family had to act. Oh.
Patrick! Watch out for that jellyfish harvester! Patrick, no!
Miss Wilkins got more cake than what she baking in the oven. She can start a bakery.
All right, boys, the cupcakes are ready.
Leave the cups. I just want the cake.
Thank you, Miss Wilkins. Yeah, thanks, Mom. No problem, boys. You know I'm always here to feed you guys.
I'm trying to eat what's between them thighs.
It smells good, Miss Wilkins. Oh, that's my special recipe. Hey, Kyle, can you go to the other room and get the table ready?
Now's my chance.
Bye, Kyle. You're not gonna come? No, I'm gonna help your mom out. Oh, you're so sweet. You know me. Oh, I got a little chocolate on my finger. I just love chocolate. And I love me some vanilla. Yeah, they're pretty good. Well, here's your cup. Oh, good heavens, I dropped it. Clumsy me. Oh, it's a full moon tonight. This must be X videos. It's now or never. Can you throw this? Why is your pants unzipped? Don't say nothing stupid. This ain't the hub.
Good morning, sir. Sorry to sort of interrupt. Kayla, my office. Come on. Okay, Kayla, I just want to talk to you about your report, because this is fucking dreadful. Okay, you've been late 112 times, despite there only being 90 days in a term. Pardon? You've been struggling in school lately because you're 24 weeks pregnant and have no clue who the father is. What do you want, a fucking medal? You needed 44 to pass your maths test, and you didn't even get 4, you thick bitch! Fuck off! Okay, get out!
This is how my walk went.
Alexandra Garcia.
Woo! Period!
Wait for it.
Period! Period! As you should.
I don't know about y'all, but this ship.
Wearing my boyfriend's clothes to see how he reacts. I look like a penguin. He's gonna roast me.
Yo, what's up?
What are you wearing? When did you get my clothes?
What?
And the shoes.
What?
They're like double your... That's your outfit for today?
Yeah. What's
You're
up?
not Andre anymore. You're Andre. Where are you trying to eat, bro? What's up?
What's up, bro?
Where are you trying to eat? Hooters?
What?
You're the homie now, so you won't get mad.
We are not going to fucking Hooters. No, we're not.
Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you right now before you give it up.
I'm coming, King Julian. Tra la 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 la.
Can I help you?
Have you ever been in love?
I don't think so.
Do you want me to describe it to you?
I told my son his mom was hitting me,
Mommy hit
and
me.
this
Come out,
happened.
please. Aunt, mommy hit me. Mommy hit me. Why you hit me?
Why he walk off like he the ass?
You want it? You want it? It's cute. You want it? Oh, it's so cute. It's cute. It's cute. You like it?
Two Oreo McFlurries, a shamrock shake, and an Oreo shake.
Oreo. Hello? 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 I would like to order from...
Poison our drink.
Can I order? I don't think they like... My name's Ward from Madagascar, and I would like to order 2 Oreo McFlurries and a shamrock shake.
What else?
Oreo shake. And an
we get for you? Okay, sorry, my bad. Can I get an Oreo McFlurry?
This with the ridiculous piece of furniture that you bought because you're an adult now and you can buy whatever furniture you.
My Alaskan king bed. 9 feet by 9 feet.
Todo gusto le atendemos. Compramos carros y camionetas bien.
Where are you going to college? I'm taking a gap year. You're not going to college. Ah, I hate that.
Guys, I'm gonna throw this balloon.
Do it quick. Wait, there was a box in here last time. Oh, they switched it. He's coming. He's coming.
Come get you some crunchy, boy.
That's everything that's a good place. Lord.
10 minutes, swear to God. You can play with this kaleidoscope I got you at the airport.
What? A kaleidoscope? I'm not 5. Shapes and colors, the likes of which I've never seen.
Do not misunderstand it. This is not power of your creation. Is this the power of a god?
Finally home, thank God.
Are you seriously watching porn by yourself? What the fuck does it look like?
Just give it. Just give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Give it to me! Just give it! Damn!
Something's coming out of here. Look, there's a bird, dude. It knows what's good. I'm telling you, I just heard it inside.
Only takes one bullet. You ain't got that nerve. Try me.
Putting a TENS machine on my butt. See what happens. Go in. It's on. It works. It's in both my cheeks. I can feel it a little bit right now. I'm gonna turn it to max and see what happens. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow! Yeah, that hurts! Oh my God!
What is something that you call the wrong name, but it still makes sense?
Open the bottle of wine.
What are you looking for?
They're twisting to open the bottle of wine. Did you see it?
What's it called?
Twisting!
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights.
I really hate when people tell me like, oh, your car's not reliable. Bitch, you don't even have a car.
people tell me like, oh, your car's not reliable. Bitch, you don't even have a car.
Working out with the stretch band. Oh. Oh. Oh.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy.
So why didn't I flinch? Because the laws of science differ fundamentally from those of...
Oh shit, here we go again. Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street, land of the heinous, gangbangers and cold heat.